Question of the day. How long do you wait to wash your car after being painted? As we all know, I went to drop the car off to get the rotors holographic. Went good and bad. They got wrapped, but the car also got damaged by the guy who did it. Long story, but that's over with. Just got the car back from the dealership, and it's looking legit. The guy, when I picked it up from the dealer, said, go ahead and wash it, doesn't matter. I looked on YouTube, it says wait a week, wait 2 weeks, just spray it down. What about when it's raining or you gotta drive in the rain? Like what does it matter? Like, what's the difference? I think it's more so like the high pressure against the fresh new paint. And you don't want to use these shitty brushes over here they got. You want to use like a microfiber towel. And of course you gotta spray it with high pressure, but you don't have to hit it with the highest pressure there is. So this is gonna be the first wash. So this got it back from the dealer about a week or two ago. So the damage was right there on the side. It looks 100% normal again. The mirror was messed up, so they had to blend it into the fender well up here and back to that fender well, so that way it didn't look odd. But luckily the car was so new and the paint wasn't sun destroyed, plus the car has been garage kept, so the paint has been up kept, so that was a good thing. And we're gonna give her a good rinse down and see what she's looking like after that. I don't know, everybody said to go ahead and wash it, but I'm just gonna hit it with a rinse off today, see how it looks tomorrow in the morning in the daylight. It's night out tonight, and we'll go from there. Probably wait a couple more days and then hit the next wash. I'll probably do the microfiber wash. Well, I always do microfiber wash, but I'll probably do this regular car wash. The next time I wash it, it'll be about 2 weeks, 3 weeks in. Paint should be settled, everything should be set. And we'll see how it goes from there once I get that all in control. Go ahead and get it fully detailed. I'm gonna go ahead and tint the wicker bill in the back. I think it's gonna look a little doper with that dark tint in there. I'm debating on turning this carbon fiber or not. Yeah, so that's pretty much what this one is about. This review is basically on the paint. How long should you wait? I'm not saying how long you should wait because I don't know. But if you guys know more than I do, drop some questions down there, any answers, any advice, anything will help at all, just to know what's going on for future reference. It wasn't a major paint job, it wasn't a full paint job, just a half. But paint is paint to me. Regardless if there's a whole car, half car, corner panel, you don't want to destroy what just got fixed. The whole point of you going to get it fixed. She's looking good. As you can see, the dust built up. You can see everything is dirty that I haven't washed it. Front bottom down here is like real icy. Like you can still kind of see like where it's not really that dirty for some reason. Like the rest of the car was really weird. Just the lowest part of the ground, you would think that would get the most wear and tear, but it's basically all up top. So let's go ahead and rinse her down and see what she's got.